Thalia Street, and we are going to the restaurant where we will have our dinner. So we are walking now with the kids. And this Thalia Street, napakaganda kasi niya paggabi. Maraming tao, maraming kumakain, lalo na pag pa-weekend na. So, as you can see, ganyan tabi-tabi yung mga restaurants. And we are going now here, as you see, in Catch 22. So, wala pa yung mga tao nung time na dumating kami. So, actually, parang kami pa lang yung first customer nila. So, ayan, ang ganda ng vibe dyan, ang ganda ng mga seats. So, sa loob, ayan, very pleasant, ang ganda-ganda din, colorful. This is our vibe. Kasi parang pagkasama namin yung kids, kahit anniversary namin, diba? Parang hindi pwedeng maging fine dining. So, ayan, napakaganda talaga dito sa parang bagay na bagay talaga dun sa kids. Aside from that, they have variety of in their menu na magugustuhan talaga ng both kids and nung dads and moms. So, yan, Catch 22. Napaka vibe ng ara dyan. So, eto, meron dyan, nakikita nyo. Ako yan. Meron silang photo booth, ganyan. Yala, catchers. Strike a pose. And that's me. So, this time, binigyan yung mga kids ng coloring materials and yung binigay sa kanila na paper para maging busy sila. Actually, it's very nice idea kasi hindi sila yung nag-roam around, nagtatakbuhan around the restaurant kasi busy sila, nag-color, may ginagawa sila. So, one of the good things na nagustuhan ko talaga dito sa restaurant na to.
Wala namang
Then, Elijah is dancing.
So,
in this part naman, yan yung favorite ko talaga. Yung sushi maki set nila yan. Sobrang sarap talaga. Yan talaga yung binabalikan ko dito sa Catch. So, kala nyo sa mga Japanese restaurants lang meron. Dito sa Catch, meron din. So, sobrang enjoy ko talaga yan. Diyan ako nabusog. Tapos, meron silang starter set na ganyan. Which there is a calamari, parang may nuggets. Tapos, may shrimp din. And then, may cheese balls. And then, this one, isa to sa mga plus sa amin kasi meron silang kids meal na nakalagay sa ganyan. So, free na yung toy na yan. After mo ma-finish yung food dyan, may burger and fries dyan sa loob niyan. Kanya na yung toy na yan. So, very worthy talaga yung pagpunta namin dito. Although, nakakain na ako dito before. But the kids, they love it. So, this is me eating my favorite maki. So, yan.
Later, finish.
Laya. Catcha. In this part naman, nakita nyo ibinato yung bill. That's how they give you the bill. You have to catch it, diba? Ayan po yung unang na-serve sa amin, yung starter plate, and then may pasta, and then yung maki, and then may steak din. So, complete talaga dito. Tapos yan nga, yung kids meal, may 2 burgers na yan and fries. So, my son really loves it, my daughter. And, of course, picture dun sa lugar kasi ang ganda nga niya. Ayan, family picture. So, I hope you enjoy it. Bye!